Hi, everyone, and welcome to SpriggHR goal setting. I'm going to spend the next couple of minutes to show you exactly just how simple it is to set a goal in the SpriggHR platform. So you're looking at the home page right now, and as an employee, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and click on that My Goals tab. Brings me over to a second page where next I just have to hit the Add a Goal prompt, and I'm brought to the template for creating a goal. And so let's just follow some of the easy prompts and contextual help that are just designed specifically to assist people in creating their goals. Firstly, we'll just go ahead and auto-populate. We need to give the goal a name. And then next, we need to assign a weighting to this goal. This is actually a good example of a feature that you can turn on or off. So quite a few of our clients are moving towards the area of removing the scoring mechanisms from the goal setting process. So that's one example of customization. A best practice in goal setting would actually then tell us that whatever we're doing, it needs to be in support of a current initiative. So in this case, we're going to support a corporate initiative under leadership development. Now, it's important to note I could have in view here just as easily my immediate team leaders set of goals. So it really depends on what line of sight that you want to create in the goal setting cascading process. But in this case, again, we're going to develop a goal that's going to support corporate objectives. Once identified, I save it. And then next, I just simply begin to write the goal. And to help the author of that goal along, there are some writing assistant tools, including a goal action bank. And really, it's just a list of thought starters, just some verbs that actually help the person kick off the goal writing process. So in this case, I'm going to select the word build. It'll auto-populate for me. And my goal today will be, again, in the context of recruitment, selection, and hiring, which is supporting and driving the direction of the strategic or corporate objective leadership development. So my goal might look something like this. I'm going to build a behavior-based interviewing program for all hiring managers. Right, that'll be my goal. And over to the right here, you'll see a reference point for SMART goal guidelines. We even have some sample goals in behind to which, again, you can customize, make it more contextual to your organization. And then lastly, we just need to identify the date in terms of timeline for delivery. And lastly, the metrics. So metrics come in all shapes and sizes, as we know. In this case, I'm going to select a target. And then finally, I just need to articulate what those metrics look like. So in this case, in the context of this goal, I might look to draft an agenda for sign off. And a secondary goal would, a secondary metric might be then just to actually execute the training. Okay, and that's it. So I'm going to hit save. It's going to give me a nice tidy recap of the goal that I just created. And then I can go ahead and continue to add additional goals, or I can just go ahead and submit this goal for approval. All right, and finally, just a quick mentionable, I've got an online meeting tool that opens up here and allows me to book a meeting through the calendar integration component with my leader to discuss my goals. I can always print out a hard copy of the goals as well. And I even have a goal worksheet that allows me to track all the tasks related to completing the goal and acts as a great update tool. So that's it for goal setting.